Introduce highlight features or overview summary of ANGFA portable air conditioners. That's include introducing the 2025 4-in-1 portable air conditioner, a compact, versatile cooling solution for your home, office, or outdoor adventures. This multifunctional device acts as an air conditioner, air cooler, fan, and humidifier, complete with a built-in RGB LED night light for added ambience. Customize your comfort with 3 wind speeds, 3 mist modes, and a manually adjustable 120 degrees airflow direction. Its 1000 ml water tank provides up to 10 hours of cooling, add ice for an extra chill. The 3-hole spray design releases fine ice mist, instantly lowering the room's temperature. Designed for convenience, it operates quietly at under 45 decibels, features an 8-hour smart timer, and includes a remote control with a 15 feet range. The USB-C power option lets you use it with power banks, laptops, car chargers, and more. Compact, portable, and space-saving with a leather carrying handle, it's perfect for bedrooms, offices, RVs, camping trips, and outdoor gatherings. No installation required and energy efficient at just 8.5 watts, it's an affordable way to stay cool this summer. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.